Well, hey, good looking. Want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I want to show you just how easy it is to be rocking out with the Crocs out, and we're going to be making a copycat version of that Boston Market Rotisserie Chicken. So, meet me in my kitchen so we can get cooking. Good looking. How much I love to rock out in my kitchen with my crock out. We're going to sit there and start off by putting our ingredients into, I have a coffee mug here. We're going to sit there and put 3 teaspoons of salt in my coffee cup. So we're going to sit there and put 1 teaspoon of paprika in. We have 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of the garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, or I like using this Sedgwood's pizza seasoning, so that's what I'm going to be using. And then half a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper, one-fourth teaspoon celery salt, half a teaspoon, of black pepper. We already did the salt. And then I like adding 1 tablespoon of my honey powder. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of that. And let's add the honey powder. Now I'm going to go grab a spoon and we're going to mix this all up, and then we're going to sprinkle it all over the chicken here, on the outside and on the inside of our chicken. Alright, I stirred ours all up, and now I'm going to sit there and sprinkle over the outside of our chicken. We're going to rub that in. I'm also going to throw some on the inside. And I'll be back as soon as I'm all done rubbing this all up. Okay, I have this side all seasoned up. Now, inside my crock pot, I have a nice little foil basket, and I made some handles. Let's place this seasoned side down. And now I'm going to take the rest of my seasoning and I'm going to sprinkle it over the top of the chicken. And there you see, I have spread all the seasoning all over on this side, and that's all we're going to put inside the crock pot. We do not have to put any liquids in. Now we can cook this on low for 8 hours, or we could cook this on high for 4 to 5 hours. I'm going to put mine on high, and place your cover on, and we'll see you when it's time to eat. Now, funny thing is, if you really want to test out your chicken to know if it is done, you will know it is done when you're trying to plate it up
and most of the bone comes right out of it. So whoever gets this chicken leg can go right to town and eat it. So let's just put that back in there just so it looks pretty for the table. But here it is. That was all done. Inside our what? Our crock pot. That's right, we rocked out with our crocks out. There's your fake out takeout of the Boston Market Rotisserie style chicken. And guess what, folks? We did it for a whole lot less, and it's gonna taste even better. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, go ahead, give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And thank you for taking the time to watch my video here and help support my channel. And y'all come back now, you hear?